Do you like new construction but don't want to pay the crazy high prices? Well, I'm going to show you a house right now, this model home, that's about 40% cheaper than anything else you'd find near the city of Seattle. So let's go ahead and take a look. Before we go inside, here are some exterior shots of this house. It is in Lake Stevens, so there is a large lake that you can use for all your water sport activities. There's a few beaches that are available for the public. And check out my other videos on my channel because I do have some that talk about Lake Stevens specifically. There are different floor plans that are available, and the range of square footage is between 2,300 and 4,200 square feet. Those red dots signify the houses that are already sold. And here's just some highlights about Lake Stevens. You could pause this video anytime if you want to just kind of look at some of this information a little more closely. This is in 4K, so if your quality is not set to 4K, you can change it on the settings on YouTube. Here are just some options that are included as standard with MainVue Homes. They do offer a lot, whereas some other builders will charge you for upgrades. This is the Iris model home, and the square footage is 2,837. As we go inside here, you will see this has luxury vinyl plank. The nice thing about this flooring is that it's waterproof and pretty scratch resistant, so it's becoming a very popular option for buyers and homes that they purchase. This is one of the half baths, the powder room on the main floor, and here's the family room, or kind of just an extra bonus area. Here's the living room and the kitchen as well. You'll see that huge island and that nice stainless steel hood above the cooktop. What's nice is the appliances are KitchenAid, which are a higher end type of appliance, and those are included standard with MainVue Homes. Really quick, I wanted to mention something. A lot of you are not subscribed to the channel, and I wanted to make sure that you can see future content that I make that might interest you. So if you could please hit that subscribe button, I'd greatly appreciate that. And also, if you like this video so far, please hit that like button. Thank you, and back to the video. It's a dining area, and here's the deck. It has actually composite decking, which is resistant to rot, which is really nice. Here's the loft area upstairs. Nice and spacious. Here's bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. Here's a full bathroom. And here's bedroom number 3. And here's the primary bedroom. The laundry room is located upstairs as well. Large walk-in closet. And here's a primary bathroom. Nice soaking tub here. And you'll see a dual vanity as well with quartz countertops, 3 centimeters thick. Large shower, has 2 shower heads, and really nice looking slate tile. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about this house or the community, or if you're looking to buy in the Seattle area, reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you out.